Hi guys, it's Sam with Pixie Dust. I am going to show you how to vinyl press a wood sign. All of the signs in our shop on Pixie Dust are 100% hand painted, but we do own a sister business which is Pixie Sticks, and it is the decals. So some of you might want to actually buy a decal and put it on wood. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This is our teal color vinyl, and there are two separate stencils on here, and they are butterflies. So it came off the printer. I've got two 6x6 wood pieces. They've been sanded and they've been stained. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go start to finish. So you're going to take it and you're going to pull this. And this is kind of opposite of the stencil. If you see the tutorials on stenciling, this is kind of the opposite of that. So what you're going to do is you're going to carefully remove the teal from the design. You're doing opposite as if you were painting this, stenciling it. So here are our butterflies, okay? And I'll just go on and do the same with this one. Again, you're just going to pull really carefully. This is permanent grade vinyl, so it tends to stick to itself very easily. Okay, so I have my two butterfly pieces. I'm going to get my contact paper, and if you kind of watch my tutorials, I am a huge saver of contact paper. I can get tons of decals out of this one little piece. So we're going to rip it apart. I've got it cut to the size. It's going to go sticky side down on your surface, okay, on your work surface. You're going to put decal side down, so it's now become one. It's sandwiched, okay? You're going to take a presser. A credit card will do if you're not very crafty and you're just doing this for a one-time use. A credit card is good. You're just going to press it really good. And then you're going to remove the white, okay? So everything has become one big sticker, okay? See that? So I'm going to take my piece of wood, and I'm just going to kind of get crazy wherever, only because this is a design where I can kind of just place them however I want. I mean, I could even go like that. It doesn't really matter how they go on. Just any type of way. So I kind of want to do it like that. So I'm going to leave it like that. So you're going to press down really good, really firm. You're going to very carefully remove the contact paper, okay? Very carefully. I would recommend a sealer on this. I would recommend actually an actual sealer, not a spray sealer, so that the vinyl adheres more to the wood. There we go. Look at that.